Picture yourself in the 2023 Audi RS7. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The RS7 delivers spectacular performance, luxurious appointments, impeccable design, and technology that will blow you away. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, ceramic brakes, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio. Life is short. Seize every moment. Drive the RS7. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.